This is my Father's word, and to my listening ears, all nature sings and drowns me rings the music of the spheres. This is my Father's word. I rest in the thought of rocks and trees, of skies and seas. His hand the wonders wrought. This is my Father's word. The birds their carols raise, the morning light, the lily white, declare their Maker's praise. This is my Father's word. It shines in all their splendor. In the rustling grass I hear him pass. He speaks to